Welcome to our channel. Today topic is spelling. I am asking my student, he will spell the words. Okay, first word, there.
THERE.
Okay, next heavy.
Heavy. HEAVY.
Okay, next flood.
FLOOD.
River.
RIVER.
Next after.
AFTER.
Three.
THREE.
Next subsided.
SUBSIDED.
Flood.
FLOAD.
Flood.
Flood. FLOAD.
Flood. FL.
FLODED. Flood.
FLO. Flood.
F flood. FLOOD.
Yes. Next among.
AMOU.
Among.
AMOU.
Among.
AMOUNG.
AMO.
AMOUNG.
AMONG.
AMO
Among.
AMONG.
Yes. Many.
Many. MANY.
Other.
OTHER.
Next things.
Things. THI.
Things. Okay, tell.
THIG. THIGS.
NGS. Things. Okay, next copper.
COPPER.
Very good. Earthen.
Earthen. EARTHEN.
Earthen. EAR.
EARTHEN.
Very good. Nice. Floating.
Floating. FLOATH.
Floating.
FLOATING.
Very good. Nice. Next one. Said.
Said. SAID. SAID.
Very good. Friend.
FRIEND.
Very good. Nice. Next one. Made.
MADE.
Very good. Weak.
WEAK.
Very nice. Next one. Closer.
CLOSE.
Closer.
CLOSER.
Very nice. Next one. Wish.
Wish. WISH.
Very good. Next one. Protect. Protect.
PROT.
Tect. Okay.
PROTECT.
Very nice. Next one. Harm.
HARM. HARM.
Very nice. Thanks.
THANKS.
Very nice. Next. Feelings.
Feelings. FLEE.
Feelings.
FEELLY. Feelings. FEELINGS. INGS.
Very nice. Next one. Dare.
Dare. DARE.
Yes. Nice. Next one. Strong.
Strong. STRONG.
Next. Study.
Study.
Yes.
STUR. Study.
Yes. STU.
RDY.
Very nice. Next one. Fragile.
FARGIL.
Fragile.
FAR.
FRA.
GIL. LE.
Fragile.
FRAGILE.
Very nice. Chance.
CHANCE.
Very nice. Next one, crash.
Crash. CRASH.
Very nice. Next one, shatter.
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 Very nice. Thousand.
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 THOU. SAND.
Yes, thousand. Next one, really.
REALLY.
Yes. Next one, wisher. Wisher.
Wisher. WISHER.
Very nice. Please. Please.
PLEASE.
Oh, next one, away.
Away. AWAY.
Okay. Saying.
Saying. SAYING.
Very nice. Next one, smoothly.
Smooth. SMOOTHLY.
Oh, next one, floated.
Floated. FLO.
Estelle, you tell.
FLOATED.
Very nice. Yes, excellent, Anand. I am very happy. Yesterday you didn't know these words, how to spell also, how to write also. Very nice. I am very happy as a teacher.
Thank you, sir.